Hello friends, today we will talk about how to become successful in Oriflame, which is a direct selling company. Here is a series of thoughts which could help every consultant to become successful in this business. Let us know about Oriflame in brief. Oriflame is a unique opportunity to fulfill dreams. Oriflame provides high-quality products for the whole family at affordable prices. Attractive offers and discounts makes Oriflame easily approachable for all. Oriflame gives the opportunity to earn unlimitedly and a strong career for all. One can reach his or her personal goals and dreams while helping others reach theirs. Enjoy a direct selling company with a human touch. Subscribe for more tips. Thank you.